She ain't have nothing about her.
What makes you say that?
Cause me turn up on my veranda and watch when time she lift up part of his zinc pan belly shop, you know. Open up her ring cause
Hey, yo.
beer grey juice in there.
Damn, bruh.
The next morning, the amount of water where belly sweep out her shop could have full of rhino tank. The man asked a little 3-year-old how she feel knowing say Melissa demolish her house.
My God, what was her reply?
So she feels sad. And I couldn't hold in the tears no longer. Brother, all pum pum price raise.
How much is it going for now?
Black, steel, and cement.
Jamaicans are resilient, bro. Y'all are gonna be fat. Look at my shirt, bro.
We have 11 cases of leptospirosis. People still not no house, water, food, or blood clot clothes. They want import GMO foods, don't have to comparison we have. Here the boys, they not got a World Cup. Miss Jamaica just drop off a stage.
And
US has to start war with Venezuela and we located right between the two of blood clot. Damn.